What's going on, guys? It's Justin here with Summit Racing, back for another one of our Toolbox Hero segments, where we talk about the latest and greatest in tool technologies, along with some staples to help make your time in the garage just all that more enjoyable. And today we're going to be talking about this 106-piece socket set from Milwaukee. Now, if you're not familiar with Milwaukee's hand tool line, they really step up the game and make some fantastic hand tools. And then they went ahead and shoved it all in one of their cool PACKOUT cases. Now, if you don't know about the Milwaukee PACKOUT line, head over to summitracing.com and check out the PACKOUT product line. It's gonna blow your mind and you're gonna want one of everything. So let's get back to our socket set. If you've never seen inside one of these socket sets, we're gonna give you a little tour. So let's get to it. So some of my favorite features about this socket kit, to start off, are the engraved numbers in the socket, so you always know what socket you're grabbing. You don't have to worry about them wearing off. Then also the sockets have a 4-square design on the back, so not only can these sockets not roll away from you when you're underneath a project, you can also go ahead and throw a wrench on it. They also come in 6-point, which we all like, so you get that maximum grip and you don't have to worry about rounding off a fastener. On to the extensions. The extensions have a nice little knurling, and they give you a couple different sizes, you know, a 3 and a 6-inch, and 1/4 inch, and 3/8. So it has some knurlings, so you don't have to worry about slipping. One of the other cool features in this are these cool plastic trays that the sockets and ratchets come in, so you don't have to take the whole PACKOUT case under a vehicle or into a situation where you're using the tools. You can just grab one tray and head on in. So the ratchets are a 90-tooth ratchet with a 4mm arc design. So these are going to allow you to get into some tight places and do exactly what you need to do. It also has a flush direction lever, which we always appreciate. You don't have to worry about it getting caught on stuff. They also throw in a couple of universal joints to help maximize the things you can use this socket kit on. Also, the trays are color coded, so you have red for SAE and black for metric. And then they go from 1/4 inch to 7/8 all the way up to 1 inch shallow on the SAE side. And then in metric has from 6mm all the way up to 19. So this covers basically anything you need. And then on the 1/4 inch side, it goes from 5 to 15, and then 5/32 up to 9/16. So this has a really good base and will cover about everything you need, all in one convenient kit. And these PACKOUT cases are IP65 rated, so you don't have to worry about moisture, dust, all sorts of stuff getting on your tools. It's gonna keep them nice. The other fun feature is that with a PACKOUT case, they have a whole modular system of stuff that fits together. So you can throw this on top of a Milwaukee PACKOUT box, on one of their wall mounts. You could even put a little workbench right on top of this. So that's it for this toolkit. If you're thinking about picking up some Milwaukee stuff or have any questions about the Milwaukee product line, head over to summitracing.com, one of our 4 retail store locations, or call into our customer service line. The folks over there will be able to help you out. Make sure to like and subscribe to the Summit Racing YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any of the action. From tool reviews like this, celebrity interviews, and vehicle builds, there's always something cool going on. So until next time, I'm Justin with Summit Racing, and I'll see you guys later.